Yes. Jaundice or something to do with liver. Very red eyes, something to do with blood pressure. Very red eyes, something to do with headache and headache related problems. Simple. Eyes have been there. I mean, eyes have been a indicative properties for that properties have been used number of times. So we have finished the forehead, the head, eyes and nose. Yeah. And the ears. What is now remaining is the chin and the lips. With the, let's come to the chin first. Chin shows chin and the jawbone here. Yeah. These show the bladder. Chin and jawbone show the bladder. Okay. So those people who have got double chin like this, at center there is a straight line and there is a chin, their bladder function is affected. Either they are not urinating enough or they are not going to the toilet enough times. Either case. It can happen because bathroom is not available, or it can happen because you are not drinking enough water. So if you are having double chin or chin which is fleshy, then you can say somewhere or other the bladder function is affected. The lips show what are the lips leading to? Lips are leading to mouth. Mouth is the first point in your alimentary canal or digestive canal. So as far as lips are concerned, lips are directly showing the whole health of the digestive system. Yeah. Cracked lips, intestines are not working. Lips which are fleshy, intestines are fleshy. Lips which look low energy, intestines have low energy. Lips which are very red, intestines are working overtime. Okay. Lips which are very thick, intestines are sluggish. Okay. Lips which are very thin, intestines are intolerant. Okay. They will not tolerate any different food. You are very finicky about the food. The body is very finicky of these people. Body is very finicky about what food they can eat. As simple as that. Yeah. So this is all about face reading, which you can see just from face and just from one diagram. What you can also do is you can take a photo of yours and mark this out on the photo. So next time you see the photo, you can see the problem. I got a pimple here. Yeah. What is it because? No, let's not go to too much. What is it because? Exactly. That's it. Too much oily food in the last 3 or 4 days. As easy as that. Too much oily food in the last 3 or 4 days because of brains not going out, no exercise, the body is not getting enough exercise, it is coming out here. Okay. And another thing, now on top of that we can see it has something to do with here. It is at this point. Yeah. So it is something to do with lungs. I have not been breathing enough. Why not been breathing enough? Not been doing physical exercise. I was for the last 2 days I was in a seminar in AC room, and because of rains we did not go out much. Explains. So one day I move out, the things will disappear. As simple as that.
So what will it show in that area, oily or?
Yeah, fatty acids. Fatty acids are not dissipating. See, one of the problems with this face reading is we jump to big conclusions. अरे किडनी में प्रॉब्लम आ गया, चेंज करो किडनी. लंग में प्रॉब्लम आ गया. It could be just breathing. That's why if you see it every day, you will come to know how big or how small the problem is. It could be just 2 days. It could be just 1 day. I remain awake tonight. Say for example, tomorrow morning you will see the black circles below the eyes. So I don't need to be too concerned because I know the reason. But I should not be pushing myself. I should take good enough rest. The rest day everything will be fine.
For self-examination, what have I ate yesterday?
Yes, yes. Anything beyond that, you should go to a doctor. Absolutely. This is not replacing your doctor at any point of time. Anything that you see, immediately go to doctor. But this is an examination that you can do easily at home, in your privacy, which will give you valuable insights into your health. ठीक है? Any questions? You are welcome.